Children, word problems 3.3, question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations of the following problems and find the solutions by substitution method. It is written substitution method here, children, but now since we have discussed all the methods, we've discussed all the various methods that we have for solving. Now I would not restrict you, because in examination hardly it is mentioned beta that you need to do it by substitution only or do it by elimination only. Okay, so for word problems method is not mentioned. So what you'll do is whichever method you find convenient, looking at the equations, आपको जो method convenient लगता है, do it by that. No restriction that you need to do it by substitution only. Okay, so you can try these word problems. Now the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. You have to find the numbers. So जो हमें निकालना था, we assume that. So we'll say let the two numbers be x and y. We are doing linear equation in two variables. Okay, so difference between the numbers, so that is how you'll get your equation. Difference means their subtraction. So x minus y is 26. One equation. One number is 3 times the other. So जब आपने x minus y किया तो well understood है कि x बड़ा है. Okay, so the bigger number, that is x, will be 3 times the smaller number. ओके ट्रिपल, अगर आप किसी नंबर को ट्रिपल कर रहे हो तो नंबर बड़ा होगा ना. ओके, सो यहाँ y इज इक्वल टू 3x मत कर देना. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक केयर इन दिस, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, सो जो बड़ा आपने यहाँ पे बिगर नंबर लिया है फर्स्ट, बिकॉज सब्ट्रैक्टिंग में यू टेकन दिस एज बिगर नंबर, तो यहाँ पे भी बिगर नंबर विल बी 3 टाइम्स द स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके, दिस यू कैन सॉल्व बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन नाउ चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको x ऑलरेडी इज गिवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ y कंप्लीटली. सो यू विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू 3y इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. Okay, so you'll say call this as equation 1, equation 2. Substituting x from equation 2 in equation 1, this will become 3y minus y is equal to 26, which is 2y is equal to 26 or y is equal to 13. Therefore x is equal to 3 into 13, 39. Your answer. Okay, now question number 2. Larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. You have to find them. Okay, so supplementary angles, children. Now here we will suppose let the two supplementary angles be x and y degrees. Then supplementary hai to their sum is 180. That is what supplementary angles mean. Okay, and their difference is given to you as 18. Okay, now this question, children, see, this is much easier by elimination. Okay, rather than substitution, this is easier by elimination. So there is no hard and fast कि आपको ये substitution वाली में मिला है तो आप substitution से ही करो. Okay, इसको elimination से कर लो. We've done elimination method क्योंकि हमें same numbers दिख रहे हैं x x, तो माइनस करने में easily eliminate हो जाएंगे या add करने में easily y eliminate हो जाएगा. Okay, so that is what we have done. I have done here. So equation 1 plus 2. X plus x will become 2x, plus x and minus y get eliminated. Okay, elimination method, एक variable gap कर दिया हमने. So 2x is equal to 198, therefore x is equal to 99. Then किसी भी एक equation में आप substitute कर लो, put your value of x, then you know your y. तो यहाँ कर लिया, y is equal to 180 minus 99. और मे भी आप यहाँ से भी कर सकते थे, y उधर ले जाओ. No, x we have evaluated, so yes, y will be 99 minus 18. Anyhow, any one of the equation you can put. Okay, that is your second problem. Then next is a coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. This type of word problem has come graphical method वाले में भी आया था बेटा. कि वहाँ हमने खाली फ्रेमिंग ऑफ इक्वेशन किया था, सॉल्विंग नहीं किया था. अभी आपको इसको सॉल्व भी करना है. ओके, सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू कैन फॉर्म दिस इक्वेशन. द कोच बाइज 7 bats 6 balls at rupees 3800. Then she buys 3 bats and 5 balls at 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. तो आप क्या स्टार्ट करते हो इसमें? Let cost of each bat be x, rupees x, and each ball be rupees y, any one of the two. Okay, then equations क्या बनेंगी? अगर ये 1 की कॉस्ट ये है तो नंबर इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो इन द फर्स्ट वी हैड 7 bats, so this will become 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Likewise, second equation will be 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. Okay, फिर आपकी चॉइस है, आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड से करो, सब्स्टिट्यूशन से करो, आपको सारे मेथड सिखा दिए हैं. सो यू विल सॉल्व दिस ऑन योर ओन. ओके, now next question says here, children, that A taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with charge for the distance covered. Now, for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge to be paid was 105. For 15 kilometers, it was 155. So, you have to find what are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer. तो जो भी आपको निकालना होता है, that you assume as your variables. Okay, so here it is. Let the fixed charges be rupees X and charge per kilometer be rupees Y. तो पहले उसने 10 किलोमीटर्स कहा, तो फिक्स चार्ज तो आना ही आना है, तो x प्लस तो हो गई. ओके, 10 किलोमीटर्स था तो 1 किलोमीटर का जब हमने y बोला है तो 10 किलोमीटर्स का हो जाएगा 10 इंटू वाई 10y. ओके, सो कॉस्ट फॉर 10 किलोमीटर्स विल कम आउट टू बी x प्लस 10y इज इक्वल टू 105 गिवन था. 15 किलोमीटर्स के लिए 155 किलोमीटर था, तो ये फिक्स चार्ज तो ऐड होगा ही होगा, एंड देन जितना किलोमीटर है इंटू वाई. So these are your two equations. Again, you can do it by substitution or by elimination. I have done it by elimination. आप चाहो तो substitution कर सकते हो. यहाँ से x can be written as 105 minus 10y. उसको आप यहाँ substitute कर सकते हो. Okay, but मेरे को elimination easy लग रहा है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि same coefficients हैं तो सीधे minus करके x eliminate हो जाएगा. So I have done equation 2 minus equation 1. X minus x will get cancelled. 15y minus 10y becomes 5y. 155 minus 105 becomes 50. So y becomes 50 upon 5, that is 10. Okay, ये denominator में आ जाएगा 50 upon 5, so that will become 10. Okay, now put this value in any one equation and find your the other value x. So x will come out to be, okay, so we can put y in any one equation and find the x, and I have done it in first equation. So x is equal to this 10y will go to the other side, so minus बन जाएगा. 10 into y was 10, so 10 tens are 100. 105 minus 100, that is x is 5. So word problem के answers हमेशा बेटा बस इतना solve करके छोड़ोगे नहीं आप. You will give the answer clearly. Okay, x y तो आपने जो suppose किया है, question ने तो x y कुछ नहीं given था, so you will give the answer clearly here. Therefore the fixed charges are rupees 5 and the charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay, fine. Then next question is saying, children, here that fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator as well as denominator, and if 3 is added to numerator and denominator it becomes 5 by 6. We have to find that fraction. So a fraction has a numerator denominator, already mentioned hai wahan. So in questions like this where we have to talk about fraction, we assume the numerator and denominator. So let the numerator be x, denominator be y, anyhow you can take it. Okay, then फर्स्ट केस में उसने बोला है ऐड टू टू न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. अभी इसमें सेम ऐड कर रहा है, ज़रूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है एक में ऐड करे एक में ना करे या एक में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द लैंग्वेज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन यू विल फॉर्म योर इक्वेशन. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन इट विल बी x प्लस 2 अपॉन y प्लस 2. सो वो कह रहा था अगर प्लस 2 कर दो आप न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में, फ्रैक्शन विल बिकम 9 अपॉन 11. सो वी विल इक्वेट दिस टू 9 अपॉन 11. देन वी आर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग 11 and 9 times this whole. Okay, then ये अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा 11x and 11 2s are 22, 9y, 9 2s are 18. Now variables one side, constants the other side I have taken, so this is first equation. Okay, then second case में उसने बोला था adding 3 the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So we have added 3 to numerator as well as denominator, cross multiplying 3 6 are 18, 6 into x 6x and 3 6 are 18. Then 5y, 5 3s are 15. Okay, then variable one side, constants the other side here. Okay, so that's your second equation. Now this one I have done by substitution here, just to show you, because इसमें वैसे भी elimination भी easily नहीं हो रहा था, सारे coefficients अलग थे. So I did it by substitution. Okay, so for substitution हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, from any one equation we put the value in the other equation. So from here I have taken out my x, 9y उधर गया, so 9y प्लस हो जाएगा, -4 was there and upon 11. ये x की वैल्यू आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, तो 6 and in place of x it's equivalent जो हमें फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से मिला था, rest of the equation as it is. Now solve this. So taking LCM out here and distributing this 6 inside, 6 9s are 54, 6 4s are 24, and this 11, if you take LCM, this will become 11 5s are 55. Then this 11 will be cross multiplied to the other side, so 11 3s are 33. It's up to you. I have cut it short. आप यहाँ पे step wise करो, LCM लो पहले, वो करो, but इतना oral work करना आना चाहिए अब class 10 में. Okay, then you'll put your variables together now. 54 and minus 55 gives you minus y. This 24 will go to the other side, will become plus. So minus y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 9. Minus minus balance हो जाएगा. Okay. Now putting y, we can find our x from here. Okay. So x was 9y. Y हमने 9 निकाला है, तो 9 9s are 81 minus 4, that is 77 upon 11, which is 7. तो x 7 आ गया, y 9 आ गया. Fraction, इसमें हमने बोला था x is the numerator and y is the denominator. So fraction will become 7 upon 9. That's your answer. Okay. Now beta, one more question is left. That is, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age will be 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? I think, oh, sorry, you are not able to see the question. So these type of questions are easy. Age problems you must have done in class 8 also, 9 also. Okay, so for such questions we assume their present ages. So we'll say let the present age of Jacob be x and his son be y. I have put it together. Let the present ages of Jacob and his son be x and y years respectively. Okay, so age of Jacob is x, of son is y. Now 5 years hence means after 5 years. तो after 5 years plus 5 हो जाता है. तो after 5 years Jacob हो जाएगा 5 plus x और x plus 5. एंड उसने बोला कि वो 3 टाइम्स है. 3 टाइम्स मीन्स 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सन की एज उस समय होगी y plus 5. So that's your first equation. X is equal to 3y minus 5. Okay, sorry, I have done it. Plus 15. Okay, and repeat मैंने क्या घचपच कर रखा है कुछ. I've done some mistake here. Okay, let's correct it. This would be 3y and plus 15. Okay, then y, this 5 will come here, so it will become minus of 5. Okay, that is how it is. Okay, so x plus 5, which was 3 times y plus 5, that will become x, and this 5 I have taken to the other side as minus 5. This 3 will be distributed inside 3y and plus 15. So x is equal to 3y minus plus 15 minus 5 gives you 10. Now second equation, 5 years ago means पहले की बात, तो उसमें हम minus 5 कर देते हैं. तो x minus 5, y minus 5, and उस समय 7 times था, तो 7 into हो गया. So like x minus 5, 7y, 35 minus, and this value of x I've substituted. I've cut it short. It's up to you. आप पहले solve करना चाहो solve कर सकते हो. I've done 2 things at a time. I've substituted also and solving also. तो x we had already evaluated from here as 3y plus 10. So x की जगह आ गया 3y plus 10. Then minus 5, 7y, 35. Now variables one side. So 3y and this will become minus, I've taken this side, so it will be 7y minus 3y, which will become 4y, and then plus 10 minus 5 gives you plus 5. This 35 will also come here as plus 35. So 40 is equal to 4y, or y is equal to 40 upon 4, 10. So एक y की वैल्यू आ गई, तो वापस हम x हमारा जो था 3y plus 10. So 3 into 10 plus 10, that becomes 40. Okay, so Jacob's present age is, as I said, you will not leave the answers like this. Word problems थी, तो word में उसका answer आएगा. Jacob's present age is 40 years and his son's present age is 10 years.